Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and y'all know who this is. This is my lovely wife, Renae, and
I'm in pain.
Renae has been answering too many new patient emails, and her left shoulder is about to pop out of her socket, so we're going to give her a quickie adjustment today. Okay, let's have you flex forward and backwards for me. I still need to check your posture too, honey. And then back to neutral. Well, see, your head's not on straight.
Oh gosh.
When you were young, your mom used to straighten her head out.
I'm like way over.
Yep. Okay. Do this one first. That's a clean towel, by the way. Okay. So there we go. And Renae's one of the few patients that we have in here that goes in the last pegs in the table. See, that still shows how thin you are, honey. Good job.
Yeah.
I'm pretty close.
I need to get a girl.
I'm pretty close to the last ones too.
Are you? Yeah.
No.
Not. Okay. There you go. See how easy that was? I barely even had a biceps twitch on that.
Oh, my shoulder.
I know. Breathe. Left. Okay. Tilt right where you left ear. There. Okay. That was perfect. Well, you're moving your left shoulder at least.
Yeah, it's just when I do certain things, it feels like my muscles being ripped off.
Yeah. Okay, let me help you up here sideways. There we go. I was hoping you'd pull with your other arm. It
I
wasn't
know.
hurting. Said
One
you
that's
pick
not
pick the
hurting.
one that is hurting on your tummy. Legs are even, so your pelvis is staying in good alignment. A little short there. That tightened up a little bit, huh?
Yeah, just a little.
Yep. Set this on ultra light for you. Not that light. There we go. That's it. Oh boy. Moved earth on those. Breathe. That's it.
Oh.
Okay. Thought I'd get you while the table was moving, distract you a little. There. Okay, let's turn you on your back now.
Okay.
I haven't even adjusted your shoulder yet.
No.
Put both arms straight out to the sides.
That's where it hurts me.
I know, but do it in.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh, God.
There. So I'm adjusting your AC joints there.
Oh, God.
And then your clavicle, your anterior ribs here.
Oh. Oh, God.
One more. There you go. Okay. Yeah.
Oh.
Just relax your leg in my hand here. Breathe. There we go. Same here. Yep. Okay. Now let's sit you up, face that way. At least you're using your good arm on that one. So you want me to adjust your good one first or your bad one first?
Better do this one.
I'll choose.
Okay. Oh!
Okay,
Oh,
just
oh,
breathe.
oh.
Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth.
Oh,
Slow,
God.
deep breaths.
Oh!
I know.
Oh!
There we go. Okay, yeah. There it is. See, that's exactly what you needed.
Oh, God, wait a minute. I'm sorry.
Keep breathing.
Oh,
You're gonna make it.
my gosh.
There we go.
Oh.
See, your shoulder's always about to fall out of your sockets from working on your computer all the time. There.
Oh, I'm gonna pass out. That hurts. Oh.
I can put you in a headlock if you want.
Oh, God.
It'll feel better when it quits hurting.
That's right. See, he's a quick study.
Oh, gosh.
Okay, come over here, let me shoot you. Here, I'm not done with you yet.
Okay.
Stand right here and face the mirror. Okay. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me there, beautiful. Well, here's the real problem right there. Look how your head's
Yeah,
forward
yeah.
and right. Yep, so here's your real issue.
Whew.
Pull both these shoulders up and then backwards like this.
Okay.
I know, but stretch,
Oh
see,
my
but stretch
gosh.
that out and get your bicipital tendon back in the groove. Now your head's forward and right, so see, we're gonna bring you back left.
Oh.
Okay, breathe. There you go.
Oh, God.
Good job. Okay, relax again. And now try that same thing again, forward and backwards. That should have felt easier.
That felt easier.
Okay, look in the mirror. See, you're centered up
Yeah,
better. Leave your left shoulder around right now. See if that feels any easier to move than it did before.
Oh, lots better.
Imagine that.
Oh, yeah, where I'm not screaming in pain.
See, we
Lots
have a
better.
table like this at home, and guess how many times she actually uses it? Me and Gregory use it more than anybody.
Yeah. I'm always busy.
Yeah. She is always busy answering your emails.
That's a lot better,
Oh,
thank
good.
you.
Hey, Renae, would you
Yeah.
tell people the best way to schedule an appointment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief that are coming in from everywhere?
Please go to our website. It's just me and him in the office, so it's really hard.
Well, Tristan's
can't
here
answer
too.
the
That was a
phone.
real slam to
I know.
Tristan.
But I can't answer the phone. Please go to the website, www.advancedhoustonchiropractor.com, and do the request. For the
New
appointment
patient
there.
request.
Yeah.
Because we're getting a bunch of spam on these contact sheets that we just delete those. So if you're filling out a contact form and not the new patient request form, right? Fill out the new patient
I
request
answer the
form.
contact forms as long as I see that it's a
Legit.
valid email.
Yeah, legit
Yeah,
person.
Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing your shoulder
Thank
experience
you.
with everyone, honey. This is your Houston chiropractor and your Houston chiropractor's wife coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.